In this video, I'm going to show you how to install XAMPP using selfpanel. To get started, first log into the self-hosted site, click on server setup, and then click on the download button to download the selfpanel. Next, click on the selfpanel that you've downloaded and then run the installer. It's going to take a few seconds to install. Okay, so you just click finish and then you open the selfpanel. Please run it as administrator, very important. Alright, so it's just saying that you have to turn on the server. Now the server is the XAMPP. So you're going to install the XAMPP because it's not already installed. Alright, it's coming up, so you just have to wait. Okay, this is yeah, so you just click OK. Yeah, you just click OK. And then you click on next. You click on next. Alright, just click. Alright, so just wait for it to finish the installation process for XAMPP. Alright, it's done. So now you have to start XAMPP and the MySQL. So the MySQL is for the database. We're going to talk about this later, about database on local server. And then once you start the server, you can access the database by typing localhost/phpMyAdmin. So this is where you're going to be creating database for your WordPress site, for applications. So we're going to look into this in other videos.